بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير، الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا، وهو العزيز الغفور الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا، ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت، فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور، ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير، ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير، وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير.
Blessed is he in whose hand is the sovereignty, and he is able to do all things. Who hath created life and death, that he may try you which of you is best in conduct, and he is the mighty, the forgiving. Who hath created 7 heavens in harmony. Thou, Muhammad, canst see no fault in the Beneficent One's creation. Then look again, canst thou see any rifts? Then look again, and yet again, thy sight will return unto thee weakened and made dim. And verily we have beautified the world's heaven with lamps, and we have made them missiles for the devils, and for them we have prepared the doom of flame. And for those who disbelieve in their Lord, there's the doom of hell, a hapless journey's end.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور، تكاد تميز من الغيظ، كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير، قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير، فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير، وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير، فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير، وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور، ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
When they are flung therein, they hear its roaring as it boileth up, as it would burst with rage. Whenever a fresh host is flung therein, the wardens thereof ask them, Came there unto you no warner? They say, Yea, verily, a warner came unto us, but we denied and said, Allah hath naught revealed. Ye are in naught but a great error. And they say, Had we been warned to listen or have sense, we had not been among the dwellers in the flames. So they acknowledge their sins, but far removed from mercy are the dwellers in the flames. Lo, those who fear their Lord in secret, theirs will be forgiveness and a great reward. And keep your opinion secret or proclaim it. Lo, He is knower of all that is in the breasts of men. Should He not know what He created? And He is the subtile, the aware.
هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور. أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
He it is who hath made the earth subservient unto you, so walk in the paths thereof, and eat of his providence, and unto him will be the resurrection of the dead. Have ye taken security from him who is in the heaven, that he will not cause the earth to swallow you, when lo, it is convulsed? Or have ye taken security from him who is in the heaven, that he will not let loose on you a hurricane? But ye shall know the manner of my warning. And verily, those before them denied, then see the manner of my wrath with them.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا الرَّحْمَنُ إِنَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ بَصِيرٌ أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي هُوَ جُندٌ لَكُمْ يَنصُرُكُم مِّن دُونِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنِ الْكَافِرُونَ إِلَّا فِي غُرُورٍ أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي يَرْزُقُكُمْ إِنْ أَمْسَكَ رِزْقَهُ بَل لَّجُّوا فِي عُتُوٍّ وَنُفُورٍ أَفَمَن يَمْشِي مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ أَهْدَىٰ أَمَّن يَمْشِي سَوِيًّا عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُّسْتَقِيمٍ.
Have they not seen the birds above them spreading out their wings and closing them? Naught upholdeth them save the Beneficent. Lo, he is seer of all things. O who is he that will be an army unto you to help you instead of the Beneficent? The disbelievers are in naught but illusion. O who is he that will provide for you if he should withhold his providence? Nay, but they are set in pride and frowardness. Is he who goeth groping on his face more rightly guided, or he who walks upright on a straight road?
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي أَنشَأَكُمْ وَجَعَلَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي ذَرَأَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ قُلْ إِنَّمَا الْعِلْمُ عِندَ اللَّهِ وَإِنَّمَا أَنَا نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ.
Say unto them, O Muhammad, He it is who gave you being, and hath assigned unto you ears and eyes and hearts. Small thanks give ye. Say, He it is who multiplieth you in the earth, and unto whom ye will be gathered. And they say, when will this promise be fulfilled, if ye are truthful? Say, the knowledge is with Allah only, and I am but a plain warner.
فَلَمَّا رَأَوْهُ زُلْفَةً سِيئَتْ وُجُوهُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَقِيلَ هَذَا الَّذِي كُنتُم بِهِ تَدَّعُونَ قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ أَهْلَكَنِيَ اللَّهُ وَمَن مَّعِيَ أَوْ رَحِمَنَا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم. قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين. قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
But when they see it nigh, the faces of those who disbelieve will be hoary, and it will be said unto them, This is that for which ye used to call. Say, O Muhammad, have ye thought whether Allah causeth me, Muhammad, and those with me to perish, or hath mercy on us? Still, who will protect the disbelievers from a painful doom? Say, He is the Beneficent, in Him we believe, and in Him we put our trust. And ye will soon know who it is that is in error manifest. Say, have ye thought, if all your water were to disappear into the earth, who then could bring you gushing water? Who then could bring you gushing water?